Hey there, welcome to this video. It's your YouTube tutor here, and today I want to show you how to solve 44 squared in this fast and simple trick which gives you an answer in seconds. So we take 4, which is the first number, and square it. It gives us 16. Now we write 16 on one side of the board. The next number is also 4, so we get the same thing, 16, and we combine 16 with the first 16. Now what do? We multiply 4 by 4 and by the exponent. So we get 4 times 4, which gives us 16, and times 2, which is the exponent, which gives us 32. So we write 32 here and add a 0 to the end and sum it all up. 6 plus 0 gives us 6. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. And 1 remains 1. Now we can conclude that 44 squared is 1936. It's someone's year in which he or she was born. But if you're a Gen Z, I don't think you are part. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.